careers in sports management is a different field, I guess. A lot of people must be wondering what are the opportunities, but I personally feel that sports as a profession is growing at a phenomenal rate in India, and I think it's about time that we produce our own people to manage those sporting events, large-scale events, opportunities, and careers. So for last 5 years, we've been running a postgraduate diploma in sports management in Mumbai, Delhi, and Dubai. But now this year, we've introduced a BBA and MBA in sports management, which is a need of the hour for undergrads and an MBA opportunity for students who can make a career in sports management. I think it's important that a lot of people wonder the common practice which is worldwide in sports management is lacking in India. And the trigger point probably was the IPL. I guess when IPL got introduced by BCCI, the biggest challenge I would feel at a personal level, not for the BCCI, but at my personal level, was that the contract was awarded to IMG UK for 10 years to execute IPL. And I think that was one of the trigger points where people started wondering that, you know, out of a billion population, can't we find 100, 200 professionals who can actually execute IPL? And that's when we realized that globally the practice is to have these professionals executing specific fields. And in India, we lack that big time. And fortunately, I was finishing my cricket career that time, which allowed me to give time and think about these. And we opened this program. And now in last 5 years, we've got 400 professionals working in the industry and now trying to be the vice president or the Jerry Maguires of the world in India. Because end of the day, people refer to Jerry Maguire as the managers, and you always have the aspiration to manage the Dhonis and the Tendulkars or the Saina Nehwals now, and Sania Mirza, who have become world #1. I think it's about time that we take up this as an opportunity where, as an athlete in my previous career, we always looked for people who can manage this well, take care of these requirements. And in the second half, actually, I realized that probably it's about time that we actually have these professionals who understand this business and then make that as an opportunity for everyone. So I think it's critical, in my opinion, that sports is an industry where Government of India every year has more than 2,000 to 3,000 crores shortlisted given to sports ministry. I mean, it's not me who decides, it's the finance minister in the annual budget who actually gives that. It's given to the sports ministry for various federations we have. So I think there are definite opportunities. The athletes are trying to be more professionals. And one of my previous sessions, I actually asked this question, and it was quite funny. If I may ask this same question to you all as well, that, you know, hockey is our national sport, and I make 11 hockey people stand here, and can we differentiate a Baljit and a Daljit here? That is the ground reality of not marketing well. It is a national sport, and we don't have a hero from hockey, which is an unfortunate. We still live in the world of Dhanraj Pillai, who retired 5-10 years back. And we want to see the next Dhanraj Pillai who hasn't come on the scene. Who's going to do that? And professionally, who will manage these are the ones who will probably try and see if they can find and make a Dhanraj Pillai. And technically, it doesn't take a lot, but it's just the positioning. We lack planning, we lack funding is always available, but we don't know where it is coming from and how we can actually. The corporates will be keen, but we just need to do a good pitch, good presentation, which will actually give them an insight of this is an opportunity for us. Cricket is becoming more expensive, even though I have played cricket. I personally feel cricket is becoming more expensive, but the other sports are growing at a decent speed. We only have 2 badminton champions to name right now, is Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu. But when in the newspaper, when it comes, people always say that Saina lost to a Chinese. Because there are 5 Chineses who are competing with Saina Nehwal. Till the time we have 5 Saina Nehwals, we cannot say that we are on par with the Chinese people. Their model is brilliant to breed athletes and make them a big champion. India needs to do that, and we personally believe that we are setting up this platform, allowing all of you to try and see if you can actually make that difference to be a Jerry Maguire in the sports industry in India.